Hi, my name is Nandi and I am a community support worker here at Southcare. A normal day for me is you get up in the morning and you go to the client's houses. So the first few shifts, I'm helping people get ready for the day. So this is usually giving them medication, giving them showers, doing welfare checks, just to make sure that they're ready for the day. And then during the middle of the day, it sort of shifts into sort of helping with shopping, taking them for appointments, helping with housework. So it's generally just working with the activities of a daily living and sort of just getting them ready for the day and making sure that their day runs smoothly. The customers here are lovely. They're really a great bunch of people. You get to meet a wide variety of people who also live in their houses, and yeah, it's really great to talk to them and gain some experience from them, really asking about their lives. So my three golden questions are asking about how their day is been and if they've got any plans for the day, and if their kids. The kids is the golden question, really. Yeah, so they'll ramble on about their kids and the rest of their lives and yeah, what they've been up to. So at the end of the week, you sort of feel tired like any normal job, but you really have a sense of fulfillment because when you go out and meet people in the community or the customers, some of them don't even get to see anyone else during the day. So you're the one like human interaction that you have with them. So it's really nice to see you brighten up their day, whether it's just asking questions, even just having a cup of tea with them, just the little social interactions. It really does go a long way. And you can see it in their smiles when you say bye and when they don't want you to go as well. Yeah, because they'll keep talking your ear off for years. But yeah, I quite like it. Sometimes they're a little bit longer than I'm supposed to. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it's really great. So my training and qualifications, I have a certificate 3 in individual support, and that's been helping me to get into this job and knowing what's expected of me. And yeah, so even here you continue to get some more training. So there's a lot of face-to-face training which sort of helps you to remember all your manual handling, or your infection control and your personal care, or whatever all that entails. And there's also some online ones which really helpful, which can cover working people with dementia to sort of keep you up to date with how to interact with different people, and yeah, to make sure you're doing what's expected of you and not overdoing it. So working as a community support worker as well as studying has been really easy for me. It was easier to sort of work the two around each other. So here at Southcare, they're really well at accommodating your availability and your timetable at uni. So whether you can put all your lectures in one day or they're sort of splashed around, you can sort of let them know when your availability is and they can sort of just work with that. So it's been really easy for me to transition between the two. Here at Southcare, there's plenty of training for you to do, so you never feel like you don't know what you're doing at the job. So they're there to always help you. And yeah, I've got the tablet here which you take with you everywhere you go. It tells you where all the clients are, what time you have to be there, and also helps you keep connected with rostering here at the office. And yeah, so they're always a phone call away, so it may be a little bit daunting to be out there community by yourself, but they're honestly just there to help you, so you can just give them a call whenever you need help, and yeah, they're there for you. Yeah, I really would recommend working for Southcare. I really love this job. It's really been a great opportunity, and I really love the fact that their values also align with mine. So there's no clashes in anything, and yeah, really, it's nice to see us all working to make a big difference in people's lives. If you've got caring hands and you like to make a difference in someone's life, I really recommend you doing this because this is a really fulfilling job and you love it like I do.